Welcome back to another video. So we just got a parcel, or at least my wife just got a parcel from Killstar, and we have a new creature that I'm going to show off. First up, we got the little Killstar thing with the invoice in it. Can't show you that because it's got the address on it and whatnot. No postcard in it that time. They normally have a postcard. So if you open it, as you'll know from the description, this is the Vampir Fetish plush toy, leather, although it's not real leather, I don't think. It's like tied together here. Okay, finally, let's have a look. Here we go. Here's fold out a bit. So you see it's like a leather look to it. Fold the wings out. There we go. And this one is Vampir Fetish number 1396 out of 3000. Used to be out of 666, and then 1666 is out of 3000. Yeah, pretty cool. I don't know if we've got the original one or not. I'll just go have a look. No, we don't have the original. I think it sells for a lot of money as well, but we do have the bag. This is a backpack. It's a little bit bigger than the normal things, but as you can see, it would look something like that. Like a plasticky type of wing. He's got a furry belly. So yeah. There you go, cute as hell. I don't think it has a date on it. It was 2021. So there we go. And until the next video, ta-ra for now.